On the pandemic front now, another step forward today in the world of COVID vaccines.
An FDA advisory committee approved looking into creating Omicron-focused vaccinations.
Emma Henderson has why that's so important as the number of new cases holds steady in Ohio.
Viruses mutate, and in the 2+ years since COVID was declared a pandemic, it's no exception. The original virus different than what doctors are treating now.
Today's meeting that the FDA had was, do we agree with considering making new vaccines for the boosters for this fall?
And when viruses change, that's when researchers look to adjust vaccines accordingly. Now, an FDA advisory committee wants booster shots for this fall largely focused toward what the U.S. is seeing most, the Omicron variant.
The proposal today was to create vaccines that are more targeted to either Omicron itself or the more specific strains of numbers 4 and 5.
Dr. Claudia Hoyen with University Hospitals and Rainbow Babies and Children's says this fall deadline is especially important because it marks the beginning of when they expect another possible surge.
We've got school starting, so the kids are all getting back together. And then as we move into the winter, of course, everybody's inside for most of the time.
And says it's never too late to talk to your doctor, whether for a first vaccine or a booster.
I don't want any child or any patient, even an adult, anyone, to die from a vaccine preventable disease.
While we are inching closer to fall already, Dr. Hoyen says it should be easier to modify these mRNA vaccines to treat new strains of COVID than traditional vaccines like that for the flu, because those require an incubation period. Laura?
Makes sense. All right, Emma Henderson live for us. Emma, thanks.